This is my loaded greens galette recipe. Now, a galette is an open, freeform, I guess a rustic kind of pie, which makes great use of all those excess greens in your garden. You can use any greens you like in this recipe, but we've used about 250 grams of silverbeet, kale, and broccoli. What we need to do is heavily salt these veggies, which will remove any excess moisture. We need to let this sit for about half an hour until all the veggies are nice and wilted. We'll wash the excess salt off after that. This is what they'll look like after being rinsed. Now we'll add some ricotta, feta cheese, a little more salt from what we washed off earlier, and pepper to our filling. We'll stir that until it's well combined. The filling's done, so let's roll out this pastry. This is my sour cream pastry, which I've made, and all the details for the recipe are on the Gardenettes website. If you like, you can use a good quality store-bought butter puff pastry or a short crust, but I like the flakiness and softness of this one. We need to roll out the pastry into the size of about a large dinner plate. If it doesn't make a perfect circle, that's okay, it will still turn out. It's a rustic tart. If you're not rolling this out on baking paper like I am, I'll show you an easy trick to transfer your pastry onto your baking tray. You simply roll it up with your rolling pin, place it down, and it should peel towards you like so. To fill this galette up, we'll need a large spoon, and we just pop all our ingredients into the center. You want to make a small pile or a small mound, but not too high or it won't pleat. Pleat over the top. So pull a bit into the side and pleat over, pleat over, pleat over. Squash it down, and we're ready to put on our egg wash. So by putting egg wash on the pastry ensures that a nice golden finish occurs and it's nice and glossy. This is cooked to perfection. You can enjoy this galette hot or cold, and it's perfect for a picnic or a light lunch.